Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Previous video we installed Python, VS Code and some of the VS Code extensions which would make our developments. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to watch that first. This series is a beginner friendly, no fluff and straight to the point. It's all about helping you get started with the Python the right way. Fast, simple and in this video, we're going to start by learning about the fundamentals of Python and syntax. Let's get into it. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. That means you don't have to worry about complex machine-level details or manual compiling. You simply write your code and run it directly. Python's interpreter takes care of translating it into something your computer can understand. Next, Python emphasizes readability and simplicity. Its syntax is clean, easy to understand, and almost feels like writing plain English. That's one reason why it's so beginner friendly and popular among developers. And finally, Python is widely used across multiple domains, from web development to data science, artificial intelligence, and even automation. No matter what area of tech you are interested in, Python has powerful libraries and frameworks to help you get started. So, to sum it up, Python is powerful, simple, and extremely versatile. In the next part, we'll explore Python's basic syntax and see how to write our very first program. If you are ready to start coding, hit that like button. Let's jump right in. Alright, now that we know what Python is, let's start with our very first program, the classic Hello World example. In Python, printing text on screen is super simple. Let's write our first Python program, which is Hello World. So we write our Python program in .py files. So I have created a file with .py extension here. Here, print is a function that tells Python to display whatever is inside the parenthesis. The text hello world is written in quotation marks because it's a string. And there you go, you've written your first Python program. It's a simple start, but this is the foundation of every Python project you will build. So to run this, we simply have to click on this run button. As you can see, Hello World gets printed on the screen. We can also try printing different things. Let me just print our channel name. So when I click on the run button, it prints Hello World and Saket Labs. As you can notice, each and every print statement is printed with a new line, not in the same line, but in a new line. So every time you call a print function, it not just prints whatever is inside the parenthesis, but also adds a new line character. And that's it for today's video. We've learned what Python is, why it's such a powerful and beginner friendly language, and even wrote our very first program. If you have followed along till here, great job. You have officially taken your first step into programming with Python. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Python syntax, variable, and data types, so you can start writing more complex code. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. And if you find this helpful, drop a comment below saying hello Python. I'd love to see how many of you have started coding journey today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.